Namaste yogis, and welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Eleni and thank you so much for joining me today. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you're enjoying this content. And just a quick update that I do have a sister channel that I'm working with called Mindful Metta. It will be linked in the description below. So if you enjoy guided meditations led by yours truly and gentle yin or meditation music, you can find a lot of options there. So let's go ahead and get started today with using a strap. If you don't have a yoga strap, feel free to grab a necktie or a scarf. Be creative here. So we'll begin. These are just a few postures that you can use, and a strap will kind of enhance these movements. So we'll start here. If you're not comfortable being in a thunderbolt position, sitting on the heels, then you can come into a cross-legged position seated on the floor. So we'll start by just folding our strap in half, reaching the arms up overhead, taking a nice open space here, a little bit wider than the shoulders. We'll take a deep breath in. And then as we exhale, just draw your arms over to the right side and you might start to gaze under that left arm. So coming into that nice full body side stretch, we'll inhale, come back through center, and then exhale over to your left. Inhale through center and exhale. Inhale through the center and exhale. Coming back through center, let's go ahead and lift here, and you can also do this posture standing. So once again, if you have sensitive knees, go ahead and come into a full standing mountain pose. From here, we'll go ahead and take our strap in another half. We'll take a little bit of a shorter width here, and then arms are going to reach up overhead, and we'll start to make circles. So this is for a little bit of movement in that shoulder joint. We'll start to come over to the right or the left side. And then inhale, coming up, floating up nice and high, and exhale. So the one thing we just want to be careful about is rounding forward here or jutting out through the low back. You can do all of this movement with a nice long spine, just inviting that nice lubrication through the shoulder joints. And then let's switch. So we'll inhale up, take that big circle. Exhale, come forward and down. Excellent. Inhale, come up. Exhale, forward and down. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Very good. Next pose we'll take is our half cow face pose using the arms. So I'm going to spin around and demo here, but just take the strap in your right hand. You can keep it in a fourth here or come back to that half. Go ahead and allow the elbow to point up towards the sky, and then start to draw this left arm behind you. So here you'll just gently grab the strap, and keeping that nice tall spine, notice the accessibility here through the shoulders when we use a prop. Good. To come out of this one, go ahead and take the strap in your left hand and just release your right arm. And depending on how long you hold, you might take a little bit of a counter stretch here or a counter movement, rolling the shoulders up and back. Take that strap into your left hand, bend the elbow points up towards the sky. Inhale here. We'll exhale, start to scoop that right arm behind, palm will be facing out. Go ahead and grab the strap here, making this pose nice and accessible for the shoulders. And when you're ready, go ahead and release. Keeping that strap in your right hand, release the left arm and roll the shoulders up, down, and back. Wonderful. So let's go ahead and come on our backs. That's more for the upper body, and I'll show you just a couple ways you can use it for the lower body. So bending the knees, keeping the feet flat. Let's come all the way down onto the back. We'll extend the left leg long, bend that right knee, and wrap the strap around the mound of the right foot and extend the right leg high. So here you can grab either side of the strap, let the shoulder blades drape towards the earth. And if you need a little bit more here through the hamstring, you can start to draw your knee in towards the chest. So notice here that there is a slight bend through my knee. I'm not hyperextending here. Good. So these can all be taken for a longer duration. Now let's start to come into the next variation. Bring your hands together. Right hand holds both sides of the strap. We'll take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, draw your right leg out to the right side. Notice your left frontal hip point, and if it's starting to lift here, you can ground it with the left palm. So my right elbow is bent here, supporting the leg, so the leg is not coming all the way down to the earth. You can also use extra props here, bringing a block underneath that right foot. Good. Let's come back through center. On the inhale, switch the grip, left hand to the strap. As you exhale, draw that right leg over the body. Take that nice twist, and you can open up through the right arm. This one feels wonderful. Once again, if you're holding for longer or need some extra support, go ahead and slide a prop underneath your right foot. And we come back through center on the inhale. And go ahead and switch. So we'll bring that left leg high and release the right leg long. Snuggle the strap around the left mound of the foot. Take a deep breath in and exhale, settle. Micro bend through the left knee. You can hold either side of the strap as you start to draw your leg towards the chest without pulling, forcing. And just notice here, maybe right side and left side feel completely different. Let's come into that next variation. Bring both sides of the strap into the left hand. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, start to open up to that left side. That left foot is flexed here. Once again, add a prop if you'd like to. You can always bend your left elbow to keep the strap propped higher, so we don't want the left leg resting on the floor. Inhale brings us back through the center, and we take it to the other side. Switch the grip, right hand to the strap, cross it over the body, reach the left arm out, palm faces up, twist. Inhale, come back through the center. Release the strap, hug the knees into the chest, give yourself a little squeeze. And we'll rock onto the right side. Come all the way back to our seat. Either crisscross the legs or thunderbolt. Arms reach high, take a deep breath in. The exhale brings the hands to the heart space. So thank you so much for joining me today, just for this quick tutorial using a yoga strap. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Namaste.